Let's go ahead and look at an example where you use positive and negative infinity and how we use them with parentheses and placement. So for instance, we might have an equation like x plus 2, and we're just going to use an easy equation here, is greater than 4. Well, we'd subtract 4 from both sides, and we here get x, these cancel, greater than 4 minus 2 is 2. So x greater than 2. Now if we were to write this on a number line, greater than 2 would be numbers like 3, 4, 5, 6, and it would go on forever and ever. So this is going to go from 2 to infinity. So this is going toward positive infinity. We don't have to put a plus sign in front of the positive. Now with the 2, notice I don't ever equal 2, so I have a parenthesis here, not a bracket. A bracket means equal. So if I were to talk about this in notation, I would start at 2, notice a parenthesis, and I would go toward positive infinity. And you never bracket infinity whether it's positive or negative. The 2 is not bracketed because I actually never reach 2. I don't have equality here. So that would be an example with positive infinity. Let's go ahead and look at another example. Let's look at x minus 7 less than, let's say, negative 2. So we'd add 7 to both sides. On the left-hand side I have an x. On the right-hand side, negative 2 plus 7 is a positive 5. So now I'm looking at all numbers less than 5. So here is 4 and 5. Numbers less than 5 would be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These are all less than. Now let's actually change this. Let's put an equal sign here, less than or equal to. So I'm going to start toward 5 and I'm going to go in this direction toward negative infinity. Now because I have an equal sign here, I'd bracket the 5. So when I want to write my interval, I would go from negative infinity to 5, and notice I never put a bracket on infinity, and I would go up to 5, and I do bracket 5 in this case because I have equality. So hopefully this helps explain it. If you have any questions, let me know.